All right, so we just got our front end kit. Oh, packing peanuts. They're the worst. I'm using a razor blade, just so everyone is aware. Get out your phone and dial 911. Get a head start. So we just got our front end kit from Drift HQ. This should allow us to basically turn this car behind me into more of a drift car, give us more angle in the front end, a lot more adjustability. It's also going to get rid of all the rubber bushings up front, use spherical links, which are going to be stronger. We don't have to worry about deflection as much. We don't have to worry about breaking things as much. So Drift HQ sent this over to us for the Radaroo project. So we're going to get it opened up and take a look, see what we got.
Yeah.
These are our rear brackets to get rid of the rear lateral bushings. Tie rod spacers, shims. So far so good. I am infamous for cutting myself with razor blades. So. Look at that.
New knuckle?
That is the new knuckle.
Looks beefy. How easy is it to adjust? So just lift up the car, change some bolts, and it's good, or?
You don't even have to change the bolts on these. I think you just adjust the bolt in and out, and then it has a lock nut on it that kind of keeps it from moving. So you loosen the lock nut, run the bolt in or out, and then tighten the lock nut back down, and Bob's your uncle, you know. There are some kits where you have to swap out hardware to make adjustments on it, and that's one of the reasons that we really like this kit. Is there's no hardware to swap if we want to go from drift steering to kind of normal steering.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Ooh. Control arms?
Control arms. So same thing. All the spherical or all the rubber bushings are gone. We've got spherical links everywhere. These are steel, not aluminum, so we're getting rid of the aluminum arms and putting steel arms on there. However, they're not that much heavier because they've actually done the reliefing in the arm. So as opposed to being a solid stamped steel arm, they've used a really high grade of steel and then gone in and done these cutouts in it to make it lighter. So we're not really losing that much weight by getting rid of the aluminum arms and going to a steel arm. But it is going to be incredibly stronger.
Right.
And for what we're doing with this car, the way that we're going to beat on it, that's really, really important. So.
Another knuckle. Beautiful.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we'll get this mocked up, get it on the car, figure out what our sweep is, our angles. That way we can cut and tub the front of the car for the wheels to have clearance to turn. And then all this will come back off because we'll powder coat it in the colors for the car. This powder coating on here is really nice, which is unfortunate because we're going to strip it all off and make it a different color. But we're not re-powder coating them because there's anything wrong with the powder coating. It's simply just not the right color for
color matching.
Yeah, no, this powder coating is actually really nice. So we'll get it mocked up on the car and see what happens. I'm excited.
Thank you, Drift HQ.
Well, it looks like we got the wrong parts. So we'll reach out to Drift HQ and see if they can send us the correct knuckles. We got them for a WRX instead of the STI, it looks like. Other than that, everything fits really good, and the adjustments all seem like they're going to work. So we'll get those parts replaced, and yeah, that's it. Till next time.